Hi guys, Rachybop here and welcome to today's video in which I'm going to be talking about Teespring and their merch shelf. Thank you so much to Teespring for partnering up with me and sponsoring this video. So if you ever wondered how that merch shelf appears below your videos and you want to start selling merch for your YouTube channel, this video is going to show you how to do that. Okay, so in order to get started, you, first of all, to be eligible, you need to have over 10,000 subscribers, be part of the YouTube partner program and not have any community guideline strikes. If you're okay with all of that, come onto your YouTube beta and go down the side to monetization. You've got all these tabs along the top and of ways that you can earn money from your channel, and one of them is merchandise. You can select this once you've got it all set up. That's going to help you organize your channel, which I am going to go into because I haven't done that for my channel yet. But if you want to get started, click this here. It says you could design and sell your official merchandise below your videos. So tap see more. So because I already have this, it's taken me to this place, and you've got this little tab where you can turn it off and on and you can organize it. That's what we'll come back and do later. But you can go and create your merchandise on Teespring. We'll tap this here. And this is going to take us to our design launcher. I do have some ideas for some new designs. Currently I've got like a Sims naked design, and I also have my logo as a design. But I do have some other ideas. So one that I did want to do was one that actually just says, "Sorry I'm late, I was simming." Now personally I create my designs in Photoshop. I'm sure you don't have to, but let's take a look. Let's create, oh how cute. There's so many different options, look at all the options. And I think, oh stickers, that's cool. But I think for the caption that I want, it'd probably be more appropriate to be on a t-shirt. So let's go with this unisex t-shirt here. Click start with this. Then you've got all these options here. So, and you can see where they ship from. So I'm probably going to go with this classic tee. Click start designing. What would you like to do with your design? Would you like to buy it? So is it just for you, or would you like to sell it? So seeing as we're doing things that we're going to sell, we'll tap sell. And then it takes you to this page. Ignore these little pop-ups of Pinterest and Tailwind. They are Chrome plugins that I've got, nothing to do with Teespring. Right, so max file size 50 megabytes. You can add your image, or you can just straight up add text. So if you want to add an image, you just go ahead and add it. It might be a bit of trial and error, getting the file size right and all that kind of thing. But this whole system is very fluid and very easy to use. So once you get used to it, it's going to take much less time. Then we'll click add text. We'll tap on this. Sorry, I'm late. I was simming. You can change the font up here, and you can change the colour of the font. You can make it bold, italic, underlined, and actually that's quite cool. Okay, so look how easy that was. I actually really like that font. Let's try some other fonts. There are, oh that's cool. There are so many different styles to try. So you don't have to be an incredible designer, you just have to have a vision, and this will help you along. I like that. I like that a lot. I think I'm going to go with that because that's going to sit nicely on lots of different coloured t-shirts, and especially if I make it black, and I think I'm going to do that. Yeah, I think that's nice. Right, so then you can add your different colours. So I'm not going to do black because of the text being black and white. That's not good because it doesn't sit very well. You can easily see what this works with. That's quite fun. And what it doesn't work with. I think this works better with the brighter colours. So I've selected my colours there. I can also put a design on the back if I want to. I do not. I can preview it here so I can see what it actually looks like with all my grid without the grid lines. And then go back, and then I can tap done when I'm done with the colours. I can also change the price. So if I tap on this, I can edit the price. So currently it's set to get $11.77 profit, and about the same in euros, so it's different in EU and GBP. Let's just change this to maybe $15.99, so then I get $5-ish, and then maybe $11.99, and euro will maybe make it 12. I'm not sure what the exchange rate is right now, but there we go. So it's totally variable, and you'll have to see what works for you. And then you go to continue, and this is where you can add it to other products. This part's pretty cool. So we've got a t-shirt, but we can also add it to the woman's t-shirt. We can add it to those other styles that we originally offered as well. And you can see what it works with and what it doesn't work with, and you just tick them up here, so then it becomes added, and if you don't tick it up, it won't be added. And just get rid of this here. You can also edit the profit that you make on all these as well. This is where it gets a little bit time consuming, but easy enough to do from this side section once you've added everything. So I think that works on all of those. So I'm just going to go through and add the things that I think it works on, edit the profits, and I'll join you back. So I've added it to all these items, but I need to change the profits, and some of them are chopped off, and I need to edit the orientation, maybe the orientation on the iPhone cases, and the sizing on the sticker, and the sizing on the mug. So I'm going to go through and do that now. And you can also add in any colours that you might want to as well as changing the first image that your buyers see for this particular item. And like with the mug, I can change it so that it's not cut off, and make sure it's centered, and add a ton of colours. Oh, that is cool. I definitely want that fluoro colour to be front for that. That's the best. And for the phone case, I can make the text a lot bigger. Okay, now all those are done, I click continue, and I'm taken here, and this is where I'm going to create a title for my listing. So I'm going to call the design "Sorry I'm Late, I was simming," and then I'll put as the description "legit reason," and then I can choose the first image that buyers see. So I'm going to choose that in the fluoro green, the lime green. I can leave my URL like that, or I can change it if I want to, and then I can add it to my store down here. I can also add it to an existing listing if I want to, but I'm going to leave it as that, and then put publish listing, and that is now going to publish to my store. And now that product is live in my store. See here, my product has been launched. We can see all the products down here, we can see all the prices down here, and all the colours available, shipping details, other products, everything like that. So that merch that I've just created can take up to 1 to 2 days. You can see here, it may take 1 to 2 days to show up on YouTube. Luckily I have some merch there already that does need organising. So let's go in, tap organise, and you can see we've got these items, 2 different designs but scattered over lots of items. Now what I'd really like to focus on is the naked socks. Where are they? These. So I can just drag those in here, and probably the Rachybop logo on the iPhone case. So I'll drag that next. You can see this is the best position to have something. I think that's my best item, so I'll close that. And then I can add other items after that. Maybe we'll have the Rachybop mug, that's quite cool. And then we'll save that. So now if we go to one of my videos on my channel, let's go to my latest one, scroll down, and we can see this is the merch shelf with the 3 items that I've added on there. so I could carry on adding more items. I'm actually going to save that space for a couple of the new design, so you can totally control how this looks, and this is just going to sit right below the description of the video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any questions at all, let me know down in the comments. I'll try my best to answer those for you. Don't forget to subscribe, check out my merch below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!